So here's how you can make a Word document on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so that way you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Essentially, what you can do is to get the official Microsoft Word app. That would be one way to do it. Like, obviously, you can get it for free on the App Store. It's good to note that you need to be signed in with a Microsoft account, and you probably need a subscription, like a paid one. It depends on how deep or how much you want to use from the app. But my personal method of creating PDF documents, the Word documents from scratch, is by using the Apple Pages app. So there's this app which looks like this. It has this orange icon. It's developed by Apple and most likely already part of your iPad. If not, you can get it for free from the App Store. But the point is that you can get inside, you can click the plus button and start a brand new document. So this is Pages, so we are working with text. So essentially you can start a new document. You can use a template or create one from scratch fully. But the point is that once you're finished with everything, you can click on the more options in at the top right and actually save the document, like export it. And the export gives you more options, right? So you can export it as the Word document. So we have it right here, but you can also export it in PDF or more. So using the Apple Pages app, as you can see, you can start from scratch, type in whatever you want, and just export it as a Word document, right? So personally, I find this to be the best option if you ask me honestly and personally. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. But for now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.